Well, this is the Idukki Dam backwaters, the reservoir. That's about it from this entire Kerala trip. Hope you like the entire series. Thank you for watching. If you do like the video, give me a thumbs up. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Don't forget the subscribe button. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned for the next vlog coming soon. Until then, it's sayonara, adios and goodbye. Beautiful morning here in Idukki. Through the forest, we're riding and heading downwards. It's going to be a warm ride as we ride through Kerala and then Tamil Nadu, finally Karnataka. Right now the temperature is pretty chill. It's 16 degrees centigrade. Morning was very chill. Hope you saw the entire series of Kerala Dairies as we explored across Kerala, the southern part. This is the last episode as we ride homeward. If you like the videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. And of course, follow me on social media to get all the current updates and latest travel stories. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Your support means a lot. That is the only motivation us influencers get. Thank you for whatever support you've been giving so far. For showing all the love. Beautiful view with the sun coming up over the horizon, and that's Idukki for you, the Idukki forest. One thing is, Kerala has some beautiful roads, very well maintained. Infrastructure is top notch. Well, as usual, my advice is stay in nature, be in nature, love nature. We are from nature and we go back to nature. So what are you waiting for? You find all your solutions to all your problems when you're in nature. Stop fretting over little things in life. Enjoy every moment. Love what you do what you love. So don't do it at all. Stay happy, stay curious, keep smiling, spread the happiness, and keep watching my channel Mahaneet. Stop for a quick Elnir, tender coconut. This is just about 37 kilometers from Dindigul. The junction where we go to Kodaikanal. One goes to Kodai and one goes to Munnar, I think this is. Theni, it's called Theni. So stay tuned as we ride towards Bangalore. As we hit Dindigul, it's going to be a straight highway all the way to Bengaluru. About 400 odd kilometers to go. I need to fuel up once somewhere. The last bar on my bike. All the boys have got split up. Everybody is in their own pace. Beautiful area this is, with all the mountains, Munnar, Tekidi, Kodai, all in the same range. Very green, serene, beautiful, lot of water. You can see banana plantations, coconut plantations. Nothing like open land, everything is got plantations or forest across the plantations. So just fueled up on the highway K2K road. This is Dindigul. We're going to blast from here. So just past Dindigul, and now we're closing in on Salem. About 275 kilometers to go to reach home. Awesome roads here on K2K. So just fueling up here in Salem city. Kuch nahi plane hai. I think I had to fill up twice since it's about 600 odd kilometers and my range was, I didn't fill up full tank yesterday, so the fueling went a bit haywire. So another 200 kilometers to go to reach home. I'm not sure where I'll stop for breakfast. I don't know where the remaining boys. A lot of work going on this highway K2K road. Well, this is Krishnagiri, the beautiful forest range of Krishnagiri. Got about 85 odd kilometers to go to reach home. Should take about 2 hours, considering the Bangalore city traffic. So that's about it from this entire Kerala Dairies. Hope you like the entire series of Kerala Dairies. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Thumbs up if you like this video. If you have any comments, write on the comment section below. Follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. My Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. And very soon on my next one, it's going to be sayonara, adios, and goodbye.